Hi, I continue in this part, and the only thing I did behind the scenes is I made a bigger rectangle here for the effect that I want to achieve. I'm going to send it down now, and I'm also going to select this and send it one step up. Now I want to remove these and select this one and change the color to this green because I think it's going to look better. And I'll also select all these, align and distribute, and click on these two options to align everything. Now I'm going to create a circle here, remove the fill, and for the stroke I'm going to select this and enter a different width, and for some reason I'm not seeing this. Yes, this alpha here needs to be all the way up so we can see the white color. And now I'm going to select these and align this in the middle. I'm going to scale this up now. And I'll need to adjust the width here. Select the radial gradient and start editing this gradient. And this can be a little tricky until you get it right. I'm going to grab this and move it over here. Adjust it a little bit more. And now I'm going to apply a blur of 2. And I'm going to grab the select and transform tool to try to position this. Let's undo this. Apply the blur again. Grab this and position it. Now next thing I'm going to do is select this tool and I'm going to create a polygon. I'll need to remove the stroke, apply a fill here with a white color. Send it all the way up. Then I'm going to position this. You can see the numbers here. Rotate it a little bit. Next thing I'll do is I'll duplicate this, Control D, change the color to this one, reduce the opacity. Also, I'll need to select a linear gradient and I'm going to edit this gradient. Next thing, I'll grab the Bezier tool, create something like a triangle here. I'm going to remove the stroke, apply a fill of a black color, and then enter 22 for the blur. And I'm also going to send this a few steps down. I'm going to continue in the next part.